Hello, everybody.
Good afternoon. May I have your name, please?
Yes, ma'am. My name is Larry Piggy.
Good afternoon, Mr. Piggy. We're on the record in case number 25-6065SM. You're appearing for arraignment purposes in the underlying charges, as well as arraignment on a bond violation. You're appearing with Ms. Farrar Wilbur, the defense attorney available through the Indigent Defense Council here to assist you. And Ms. Farrar Wilbur, did you have opportunity to review allegations in the underlying complaint, nature of the offense, possible maximum penalties, as well as the issues with regard to the bond violation with Mr. Piggy?
Yes, thank you. We did have the opportunity to review the complaint as well as his rights in this matter. At this time, Mr. Piggy waives a formal reading, pleads not guilty, and requests court-appointed counsel. I would note that Mr. Travis is appointed to assist him in another pending matter. In regards to the bond violation allegation, we did review his the allegation in that report, as well as his right to a hearing with counsel present. He wishes to waive those rights and admit the violation.
So with regard to the petition for the court-appointed attorney, and we will indicate that Mr. Travis currently represents you, but I need to go through the questions. Once again, please raise your right hand. And you swear that the information you're about to give me will be the truth to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, and you're welcome to lower your hand. Mr. Piggy, what's your phone number?
231.
Your mailing address?
That will be Sherwood Forest Drive,
What city?
Traverse City.
Do you also use an email address?
Yes, it's quite long though.
What is that?
It's under BOIGOTDABAG.
At the Sherwood Forest Drive? Are you renting, purchasing the home, or living with others?
I'm living with my mom.
Are you employed?
Yes, I would
Where?
say. Qdoba. But I'm not sure about how long I'm going to be employed for now.
What's your average take-home pay?
As of right now, I'm pretty sure I'm getting paid $16 an hour. Yeah, I'm making like 30 hours a week.
Have you gotten a paycheck from them?
Not yet, no.
Do you have a vehicle, own a vehicle?
I do not own a vehicle, no.
And do you have any money in a checking account or savings account, any cash on hand?
No.
So I will appoint an attorney to assist you. Next step in the process, the pretrial conference will be scheduled for November 25th. It's at 9:30 a.m. in person here at the district court. With regard to the bond violation, you understand that you have the right to a hearing. You have the right to have an attorney represent you at that hearing. If you choose to admit that violation, you understand you would waive those rights.
Yes, absolutely.
We will get the file to Judge Cooney. He will see you as soon as he is able. I don't believe it will be today. I think he has a civil docket today. But you will be remanded to jail until the time that you are able to see the judge. And the judge will set your bond as well. Not set your bond. The judge will discuss with you the bond. And for right now, you're all set.
Okay.
Magistrate, but Mr. Piggy does have a pending retail fraud case that I believe he may have a personal bond on. Would the court consider converting that so he's at least earning credit while he's waiting to see Judge Cooney for the bond violation in this matter?
I would consider it, however, I think it will be tomorrow when Judge Cooney is able to see him.
Okay.
So it would be set, 1 day, right? So for right now, I just assume not throw that into the mix, so that we get confused and maybe he does have to post some money, maybe he doesn't have to post some money. So I'd rather leave it as it is.
Okay, thank you. Understood.
Thank you. So for right now, Mr. Piggy, you are all set.
Okay, thank you.
Magistrate, I will need a breakout with Miss McCaulay. I just wanted to also confirm, is this a bond violation or a probation violation allegation for her?
It is a bond violation. I believe that she's pled, but she's not yet been sentenced, maybe. Let me verify
Okay.
that.
Okay, thank you.
Notice of sentencing, her PSI is scheduled for November 10th. Notice of sentencing is December 11th, and she did plea on October 23rd.
Okay, thank you.
And her attorney is Mr. Travis.
Okay, thank you.
Good afternoon. You are Hannah McCaulay.
Yes, ma'am.
So we're on the record in case number 25-5621 SM. You're appearing for arraignment purposes on an allegation of a bond violation. Ms. Farrar Wilbur is the defense attorney available through the Indigent Defense Counsel, who will be assisting you with the arraignment today. And she needs some time to speak with you before we get further on the record. So I'm going to place you and Ms. Farrar Wilbur in a breakout room so that you can have a private conversation with her.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you and welcome back. We're back on the record in case number 25-5621 SM. And Ms. Farrar Wilbur, did you have opportunity to review allegations on the bond violation, nature of the same with Ms. McCaulay?
Yes, thank you. We did have the opportunity to review the allegations and her rights. At this time, Ms. McCaulay pleads not guilty and requests that this is set for a hearing with her attorney, Mr. Travis.
We will get that hearing scheduled as quickly as possible. You will be remanded to jail until the time of that hearing. And so for right now, then you are all set.
Magistrate, would the court consider any type of bond for Ms. McCaulay? She understands, personal bond would not be realistic, but she does have up to $1,000 of her own funds, as well as family funds, to post a bond pending hearing.
As you and I discussed, she has already entered a plea in this case. So she'll be remanded until the time of that hearing. Well, it will be expedited since you'll be staying in jail, but you will be remanded until the time of that plea.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Can I have your name, please?
Nathaniel Wilson.
Wilson.
Yeah, WILSON.
And you are welcome to step up to the podium. Are you here to admit responsibility with an explanation or deny that you're responsible?
I'm willing to admit guilt on part of it.
It's
I guess I've never done this before, so.
Sure. So your ticket, do you have a copy?
Yep, I have a copy of everything here.
So read that ticket on the right-hand side. It gives you your options to admit responsibility, admit with an explanation, or deny.
Yeah, I will admit with an explanation.
Okay.
So I was stopped in my semi, I was McCaulay, I was in a hurry to get home. It was the end of the year harvest, got done. And he stopped me for speeding, which I will fully admit to. He wrote me for use of handheld device, which I didn't think I was doing, but I will pay that ticket because I know I got one out of the two, I guess, let's say. I will admit responsibility to the ticket. I guess if that's the best way to put it. I'll admit to that I was speeding because that was this for the original stop or the stop, but he said it.
Well, I can't accept an admission of responsibility to something that you think you did not do. So in a commercial vehicle, you can't
I realize,
touch a phone.
right, and I have a headset, I had my headset on when he stopped me.
Okay, that doesn't really matter.
Right,
What matters is that if he issued the ticket, he is claiming that he observed that you were holding the phone.
I don't admit to using my phone, but I am more than happy to pay that ticket because I know
No,
that
sir,
that's better than.
really not how it works, though.
Okay. I'll admit to it, I'll pay the fine, like, as I know that I have a pretty, I think I have a very good record, I'm more than happy to pay the fine versus
Okay,
speed.
that's not really how it goes.
Okay,
So, you can't admit to some responsibility to something that you're telling me you did not do.
okay,
So you should go back to the clerk who checked in, ask to fill out a form. We'll mail you a notice of the date and time of your informal hearing. It's via Zoom, so you don't have to make another trip back here to court. But the officer will be at that hearing, you'll be at the hearing, both under oath and providing testimony. And I would make a determination based on that testimony. So for right now, then you are all set.
okay, all right,
Thank
thank you.
Be safe, be well, sleep sweet, and much love.